Thermal expansion. The change in dimension of an object due to the supplied heat energy is called thermal expansion. For example, most materials expand on heating and contract on cooling. Sealed bottles with metallic lids are tightly screwed that one has to put the lid in hot water to open the lid. This is because the metal lid expands due to the absorption of heat. There are three types of thermal expansion, namely linear expansion, area expansion, volume expansion. Linear expansion. The change in length of an object due to the supplied heat energy is called linear expansion. Let L be the length of rod at some initial temperature T. When the temperature changes by delta T, the length changes by delta L. The change in length depends on initial length L and change in temperature delta T. That is, delta L directly proportional to L into delta T, or delta L is equal to alpha into L into delta T, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. Area expansion. The change in area of a given substance due to the supplied heat energy is called area expansion. A is the initial area of the substance and delta A is the increase in surface area due to temperature change delta T. That is, delta A is directly proportional to A into delta T. Therefore, delta A is equal to beta into A into delta T, where beta is the coefficient of area expansion. Volume expansion. The change in volume of a given substance due to the supplied heat energy is called volume expansion. Let V be the initial volume and delta V is the change in volume due to temperature change delta T. That is, delta V is directly proportional to V into delta T. Therefore, delta V is equal to gamma into V into delta T, where gamma is the coefficient of volume expansion.